BMW is bringing back a legend. The iconic R100 nameplate returns for 2026, blending classic boxer heritage with cutting-edge technology. This is Next Gen Reviews, and today we're checking out how BMW has reimagined one of motorcycling's most beloved platforms for the modern era. Design. The 2026 R100 is a masterclass in retro modern styling. BMW has honored the original's clean, minimalist lines while updating proportions for contemporary tastes. The exposed air-cooled boxer engine remains the centerpiece, finished in classic silver. Spoked wheels, a sleek fuel tank, and a comfortable bench seat complete the timeless look. Premium paint options and chrome accents give it that quality feel BMW is known for. Performance. Under those iconic cylinder heads sits an updated boxer engine that respects tradition while embracing modern engineering. The power delivery is smooth and linear, providing ample torque for both city riding and open highway cruising. The engine's character is pure BMW, with that distinctive boxer thrum and effortless pulling power. The handling is agile and confidence-inspiring, making this bike equally at home, carving canyons or commuting through traffic. Features and technology. BMW hasn't sacrificed technology for aesthetics. The R100 includes ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and modern ABS. The instrumentation cleverly integrates digital displays within analog-style gauges. LED lighting improves visibility while maintaining the classic aesthetic. Conclusion. There you have it, the 2026 BMW R100. Does this modern classic strike the right balance? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this review valuable, hit that like button, share with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching.